I'm Pujita Reddy Gosla. How are you all doing? In today's video, there are 2 more characters waiting for you. All you need to do is, you know the drill. Send me your pictures at pujitareddygosla4filmmaker@gmail.com. You can also find my email ID in the description box. Centuries ago, there was a kingdom called Vasumati. Vasumati is known for its architecture. It is known for its nature. It is known for the kind of warriors the kingdom has. It is known for the population, and it is also known for no pollution at all. Because the queen and the king of Vasumati, the characters to whom you should be sending the pictures, the king's name is Prayag and the queen's name is Agni Devi. They show utmost care and interest in protecting the 5 elements of nature of that particular kingdom, and also to protect the flora and fauna of that kingdom. That is why Vasumati is known for its nature. And how does Prayag look? He is in his 70s and his wife Agni Devi is in her 65s. Both of them have no children for whatever the reasons. He is always in tension that one day when he dies, who would be the future of the kingdom? Who would protect his kingdom from enemies? And who would stand as the successor of the kingdom after he passes away? In this tension build up in his head, he made sure his physique is really strong, that he has to fight in the war when it arises. How does he look? He is a tall personality with 5 feet 11 inches of height. Every hair on his body is completely white. It's not grey, it's not black. He is getting older and older, but he is also maintaining his body. He has wrinkles on his body, but still he works all the time to keep himself fit. His eyes started losing the vision of watching at things, but still he made sure he take enough good diet to work better to protect his kingdom. He lost his charm of the body because of the tension built up in him. If you want to play this role, people of the age group 60 to 75 can send me the pictures. There is no particular thing that your face has to look the certain way, because I would be adding up more in the storyboard to any of the face that is sent to play this particular character called Prayag. Coming to his wife, Agni Devi. She is not somebody who rushes after the future. She is somebody who lives in the present and enjoys that moment. She is very calm, very composed, and very wise as a person. It's not easy to fool her. It's not easy to convince her. But once she is convinced, she gives her soul to you at any cost. Once she doesn't like you, she can backstab you no matter what. How does she look? Although she is in 65s, because her mental health is good, her body glorifies like she is in her 40s. She is fair in complexion. She has amazing eyes with good eyelids and thick eyebrows with brown pupils. She has medium-sized ears and she has thin lips. She has very well structured teeth, and she has a beauty spot right below the lower part of the right side of her lip. And she believes in nature, like I already mentioned, so she spends most of the time in protecting the nature of the kingdom. If you fall in love with these characters, please go ahead and send me pictures. Stay tuned for more videos to know more about the roles and be part of this. Thank you.